Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a hyaluronic acid gel mask. First, begin by thoroughly cleansing your face to remove any makeup, dirt, or oils. This ensures the mask can fully penetrate your skin. Next, gently pat your face dry with a soft, clean towel. It's important that your skin is clean and dry for optimal absorption. Also, make sure your hands are clean before touching the mask or your face. Now, let's apply the mask. Carefully open the package and gently unfold the gel mask. Position it over your face, making sure to align the openings for your eyes, nose, and mouth. Take a moment to smooth out any air bubbles with your fingertips. This ensures the mask makes full contact with your skin, allowing the hyaluronic acid to work its magic effectively. Once applied, leave the gel mask on for the recommended 15 to 20 minutes. This allows ample time for your skin to absorb the beneficial hyaluronic acid and other hydrating ingredients. Use this time to relax and unwind. After the recommended duration, gently peel off the mask, starting from the edges. Avoid pulling or tugging your skin during removal. After removing the mask, you'll likely have some serum remaining on your face. Gently pat this into your skin until it's fully absorbed. There's no need to rinse your face. To seal in all that wonderful hydration, follow up with your favorite moisturizer. You'll notice your skin feels incredibly soft, plump, and looks beautifully radiant, thanks to the hyaluronic acid.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.